One of the reasons I chose Edwin Coe is that it's a full-service law firm, so that allowed me to experience a broad and wide variety of departments and laws, because even though I had an idea, having worked previously at a property litigation firm, that I enjoyed litigation, I really wanted to experience different areas of law, not only to broaden my own experience and knowledge base, but to also find out what it was that I in fact enjoyed doing. Another great factor was the fact that the trainee intake is relatively small. There are 5 trainees in my intake and 10 total at the firm at the minute. The advantage of that is that each department takes 1 trainee, so you get a lot more support as you're training. Most of the partners and fee earners, in fact all of the partners and fee earners I should say, that I've worked with have an open door policy, welcome questions, and I'm more than happy to take the time to talk you through something which, as a learning experience, is fantastic and only allows you to not only meet their own expectations, but, as I said, grow your own knowledge base further.
So during my training contract, I found that I was given a lot of exposure to some really interesting work and clients, and I particularly found that I was given quite a lot of responsibility that perhaps you aren't always afforded at other law firms. I found that the partners really wanted me to get involved with the matters I was working on and to really understand them, as opposed to just giving me pieces of work to do and expecting me to just turn them around as quickly as possible. There was definitely a focus on training me and making sure that I was learning whilst also providing some good, solid work back to them. I decided to stay at Edwin Coe as a newly qualified solicitor because, put simply, I really enjoyed the level of responsibility that I was afforded as a trainee. I felt that the variation of work that I was exposed to was really fantastic, and I felt that if that's what I came out of each individual seat feeling, then the prospect of staying at the firm longer term and just building upon those skills was an opportunity that I really didn't want to let go of. So I was really happy to stay and qualify here.